Zambia has been known to be a poor country, or is still known to be a very, very poor country in Africa, and of course, Zambia is not very well known out there, but the narrative that has been given out is that Zambia is a very poor country. But hey, it is true to some extent that Zambia is poor because some of the people, or should I say 60% of the population actually are poor. But in this video, when you watch this video from start to finish, you are actually going to have a change of mind about what you think about Zambia, because in this video I am taking you on a tour of Meanwood, Ibex, and what you're going to see surely will shock you. Is it true that Zambia is poor? When you look at the beautiful mansions that we are going to look at in this video. So watch the video from start to finish and make sure that you subscribe. If you look where I am right now, if you take a closer look at these beautiful houses, it will tell you, it will change the narrative. You may start thinking, wow, those stories are very untrue. In Zambia, the truth is that in Zambia we've got some places that are actually where rich people live, and they've got places, you've got slums where poor people, like where I come from, where I live. I live in a ghetto of Mutendere, and yeah, it's strange. But if you look at these houses, guys, I remember taking some tourists to this place, and they were amazed. They said, look guys, Zambia, you've got rich people that have been able to build these big mansions. I mean, if you take a look here, oh man, look at those beautiful white houses there, beautiful apartments there. Who can afford that from my ghetto? No, we can't. But the fact is that people build, and others, of course, they get their monies through dubious means, but mostly people are working hard, and they are able to build such kind of mansions. So alright guys, so let's go and take a tour of this beautiful residential area. Okay, it's also a residential area where you can still find plots being sold by the Meanwood themselves, by the Meanwood properties themselves. But you can see these beautiful mansions, and there's someone working there. Okay, so there are some beautiful houses here, guys. Beautiful houses that you can never imagine were found in this so-called poor African country called Zambia. Okay, look at these beautiful houses. Okay, take a look at this one. A big house. Now take a look at this other one. Huh? Guys, look at that. The houses here are amazing, guys. They're so beautiful, they're so big, huge. Look at that guy there working, fixing things. It's a new house that is just being constructed. So they're putting up a roof. Okay, I love the environment here. Look at the greens. Okay, look at that. So green and nice, for that matter. Okay. You can see the big houses, big mansions. Right here in Meanwood, Ibex. Meanwood, Ibex. So if you want to get a plot here in Ibex, like what these have done here, if you want to get a plot, you need to. There are offices for Meanwood properties, so you can actually get to talk to them and find out. But yeah, really, properties here, plots here are quite expensive. Wow, expensive to some. But you can get a plot here for about 500,000 kwacha. A big plot, like where this house is sitting. You can see from there. Okay. So this is the beautiful area, guys. So when you're in Meanwood, normally what you would find is just these big houses. And what is interesting as well is that you know, the houses here, you can still find a lot of houses for rent in here, okay, in Meanwood. But normally they don't put those posters to say house for rent. What they normally do is that they use agents, okay, so they don't advertise on the actual house, but they actually get an agent who can be posting on Facebook and all these other platforms. So you can see there's a plot like here. It's actually the owner started building a little bit. Yeah, they've done a part, they've started building, but it's not complete. So because of this, like I said, these COVID-19 challenges, you may just find that the owner actually is having some financial constraint, you know, here and there. So they can't actually manage to complete it. So such kind of plots may actually be cheaper, because I remember, like in Salama Park, I did a video about Salama Park. I'll put the link, or it will appear somewhere at the end of this video. I did a video about that one. What you notice is that some of these plots were actually bought at around 122, somewhere there. And I remember somebody I helped buy at 122. Those now I'm talking about plots in Salama Park. Okay, I'm talking about those plots in Salama Park, which are just similar as Meanwood here. But the thing is, that was the price then. But if you are talking about today, you notice that most of these plots, the amounts, the prices have actually increased tremendously, because you know, the people that have been buying, the people that have bought before, are actually prominent people, big businessmen and women. Others are ministers, you know. In fact, even presidents have bought properties in this area. Take a look at this beautiful house here. Okay, very nice, very beautiful, and sitting on a big plot, very quiet. You can see. Okay, so if you are looking at rentals, mostly rentals in this area start from 4,500, somewhere there. You can find some, yeah, a small house for that amount, but they can go up to 20,000. Okay, that is a Meanwood Ibex. Look at these beautiful houses here. Very nice houses, guys, if you ask me. Very nice. And Meanwood Ibex is very big. So today, in today's video, I don't even think I'll be able to cover the whole lot of it, because guys, it's huge, it's big. Yeah, it's a very interesting area, very luxurious area, if you ask me. Yeah, that's Meanwood. So let's continue touring it and see how big the houses are, how nice this place is, guys. Okay. Alright, look what I found, guys. It's a house for sale, a beautiful one for that matter. That's the house which is on sale. A very beautiful big house, you can see from there. Yeah, and it's neighboring this beautiful house here, painted in grey and red. Yeah. Actually, that house is not like complete with everything. So if you want to buy it, you can actually come and check it out. see some beautiful houses like this big mansion. Okay, so it's mansion after mansion here, guys. Standalone houses like these big ones, you know, they are all here in Meanwood, guys. It's a quiet place, very quiet, no noise. Yeah, people enjoying themselves. Look at this big mansion here, still under construction. But there are also some plots. So now these plots may be occupied already, somebody may have bought it from Meanwood Properties, but they haven't yet started developing the area. Okay, so you can find such kind of plots, but you need to talk to the owner, and if they are selling it, because you know some people, especially after these COVID-19 challenges, some financial constraint here and there, a lot of people have experienced that. So you may just find that maybe the owner is going through that process and they want to sell that plot and solve some of their problems. Okay, so you can talk to them and they may just get to sell you. But this is the area, guys. This is a beautiful area. So this is some other big mansion here that you can see in Meanwood. Very big houses. Look at those. Look at that. Guys, this is some amazing place. Some amazing place, guys. You can see from there, we've got these two flats. And then here, it's just this one, we've just completed the house. You can see there. Very nice. Here it's a very nice hidden one. They've put these nice flowers there. Are they flowers? Nice plants there. Yeah, very interesting how people live here. You know, in my area this time around, I could have found it could have been, you know, like banging, a lot of noise, music playing there and there, you know. So it's quite interesting how people are living here. Okay. So this is the entrance to Meanwood, guys. This is the entrance here. You can see the other side is actually Chainda. And this is the entrance. You can see there are two. It's a two-lane road. Okay. On this side, there's this bush. Yeah, they are conserving some trees here. Yeah. So that's the entrance there. And this road can actually lead you all the way to Oasis, to the main greatest road. Right, thank you very much, guys. We've come to the end of our tour of Meanwood Ibex Hill, and I really want to appreciate those that have always retained to my channel to watch my videos. Guys, you are the best. And remember, if you want to support my work, if you like what I do, make sure that you give me that super thanks in the comments. You can see where it says super thanks there. Make sure that you click on it and give out whatever amount that you are willing. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and remember to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. If you are new, you're welcome. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.